The essentially current exchanging volume of torrential slide sort of is at $1,537,747,302, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. AVAX cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, or so they really thought. AVAX United States dollar medium-term support fundamentally remained at $13.68, which for the most part is very critical. Torrential slides EMA10 sort of shows a vertical pattern in an especially significant manner. 17 December 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for the following week and really attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense, clarified some pressing issues, facts. What generally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for torrential slide generally is AVAX a very wise speculation, kind of an opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Be that as it may, prior to plunging profound into the AVAX specialized examination, explicitly let us sort of discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they most certainly thought. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,585,909,977,976, exhibiting that market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,585,909,977,976 in a very huge manner. The exceptionally absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at 47,100,000,000. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 1.35%, coming to $2,223.18 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value lessening of 1.35%, coming to $2,223.18 during the past 24 hours, which essentially is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.83, following a value change of 1.49% within a similar time period, which basically shows that in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $47,197,296,274 in an unpretentious manner. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 0.94 and at present exchanging at 62 cents, which generally is very huge. Furthermore, Solana came to $72.86 subsequent to seeing a decay of 4.98% in esteem, showing how the for the most part current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically is at $1,537,747,302 by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market for the most part is going in a descending bearing for in every practical sense, momentary in an unpretentious way. Right now, a sort of broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,585,909,977,976, exhibiting that market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,585,909,977,976 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of large manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchasers basically become significantly more truly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how torrential slides EMA10 in a real sense shows a vertical pattern, or so they all things considered thought. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which merchants basically move fundamentally dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that AVAX United States dollar medium-term support in every practical sense remained at $13.68, or so they really thought. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, AVAX, torrential slide execution. For the most part current torrential slide cost in every practical sense is $41.86, with an exchanging volume of $1,537,747,302 in the by and large beyond 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, AVAX by and large is somewhere near 6.64% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $15,314,800,494 United States dollars, which most certainly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.83, following a value change of 1.49% within a similar time span, which certainly shows that the all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $47,197,296,274 in a truly significant manner. Torrential slide value examination AVAX cost investigation for 17 December 2023, inside a day-to-day time span in every practical sense, made sense of underneath, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.83, following a value change of 1.49% within a similar time period, which generally shows that the by and large complete exchanging volume especially remains at $47,197,296,274, or so they generally thought. We utilize really relative strength INDEX RSI, moving exceptionally normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the torrential slide. So the by and large all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $47,197,296,274 in an unpretentious manner. While AVAX's Williams %R marker especially is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign certainly is really conceivable at this reach, which for the most part shows that the kind of complete exchanging volume basically remains at $47,197,296,274, which certainly is very critical. The AVAX United States dollar moving truly normal union and dissimilarity MACD pointer certainly is demonstrating a by and large present moment in a real sense sell pretty sign, as the MACD line for the most part is moving underneath, most certainly signal line, which by and large means basically bears fundamentally are overwhelming on the lookout, which generally shows that the very current exchanging volume of torrential slide basically is at $1,537,747,302, which all things considered is very critical. The essentially relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the AVAX coin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at